at the Digital Signage Expo, and this event is significant for really demonstrating the latest innovations for all things digital signage. And it's just an amazing event to be able to display some of the latest technology, both on the hardware side as well as the technology side.
The best thing about this show is that we're able to reach a lot of the vendors all at one time in one location, and able to do some networking with them to actually show them what we do to help them with their product. PDS is Premier Dedicated Solutions. We specialize in custom mounts for all types of LED and video wall displays.
We're really here to educate on what is the latest and greatest solutions, as well as the services that we provide.
We can create a custom solution that will make it easy for installation, make it easy for maintenance going down the road.
We have the fixed LED mount, which is for the front access serviceable LEDs. And we also have the scissor mount for the LED that you need to get to the back side of it to get the service or fix or repair or exchange.
The reception of the people coming to our booth this year has been amazing.
We have a nice big LED wall. We're at the front of, right behind our booth over here, and it's been grabbing a lot of attention, and people are really intrigued about our capabilities and our ability to really customize any solution for any LED, how we can overcome some of the hurdles installers have when it comes to installation, serviceability, and be more than the mount provider, but more as a partner.
We're the leaders. We're always innovating. We're always working directly with the manufacturers of the LED displays to make sure that our mount is ahead of the curve of anybody else's mount. From engineering to installation, PDS is a leader of the industry.